I'm Deepti. I have recently given birth here in Ireland and today I'm a mama to a wonderful baby boy. I know exactly how overwhelming it feels to get all of your baby's documentation right, being freshly postpartum in a foreign land with limited help. As a product manager, I'm obsessed with efficiency, and that is why I have built you this guide to help you navigate through these processes with ease. Trust me, this is exactly something I was looking for when I was doing it by myself. In this guide, I go through 3 important documentation that you'll have to do right after birth, which is to register birth, apply for passport and child benefit. All of this is explained with PM design template with key screenshots so that you are never left confused. When it comes to passport application, I give a walkthrough of how to fill your summary document for Reckonable Residency where most people get confused. To give you total peace of mind, I have included 15 minutes call with me to double check any of the queries that you may have. Contact me on WhatsApp for additional details and price enquiries. I can't wait to help you and take this off your to-do list.